Dhum dhum dhagire.
Namaste. Welcome. This is Yogi Sivananda from India. Today, today we are going to explore the Dakshinamurthy Stotram, the second Sloka explanations. Already we have give two videos of first Sloka, and before that who is Dakshinamurthy. We have give lot of explanations about it. So through this Sloka, we are going to deep explanations in spiritual way. Let's begin with honestly. Most peoples are suffering because of life. They are suffering because of how they perceive life. Today, through the wisdom of the Dakshinamurti Stotram, we explore how perceptions create reality, how the visible becomes your life experience. Here, ask yourself, am I living reality or my interpretation of it? Just let the question sink in. Now we can see the chant of the second sloka. Okay, this sloka will give us the invisible blueprint. The universe exists in an unmanifest state, like a tree inside a seed. But let's go deeper. There is not poetry. This is a description of how reality works. Here we can see some real life experience examples. Career path. Think about your career. Before the job, the salary, the success, what existed? Just an idea, the thoughts like, I want to be successful, I want to build something. That invisible thoughts become your visible life. The insight is your external life is a projection of internal patterns. So the thoughts become emotions. The emotions feel as reality. Let's break your daily life. You think something, That thoughts creates emotions. The emotions drive actions. Actions shapes reality. Real life example is relationship. Someone does not reply to your message. Two possibilities are there. The first thought, they don't care about me. It's the anxiety. The second thought is they are probably busy. It's a calm. Same situations but different realities. The truth, and you are not reacting to reality. You are reacting to your interpretation. You are reacting to your interpretation. Here we can see the tech of analogy. Let's make a practical for modern life. Think of a computer operating system. You don't see the codes, but it controls everything. If the codes has a bug, the output is hang. The real life example, mind as software. Belief I am not good enough. Output hesitation, fear, procrastination. Before the world didn't create that, the internal code did. The insight is change the inner code, change your life output. Here we can see the illusion of control. Here where it's get deeper. You think I control my life, but most actions are driven by conditioning, past experience, subconscious patterns. Shiva, Shiva. The real life example is life decisions. Choosing a career. I choose this job, but why? Family influence, security, fear of failure, deep realization. What you call choice is often programming. Now, the most important question is if thoughts, emotions, and patterns are changing, who is aware of them? Here we can see the example of watching your mind. Right now, thoughts are coming, emotions are shifting, but beyond that, something is watching. That watcher is you. That is the truth. You are not your thoughts, you are the awareness behind them. When you realize this, the freedom begins here. You stop your over identifying with problems. You gain space between thought and reactions. You become more conscious in decisions. Now we can see the real example in life: stress at work. The situations are deadline pressure, out pattern is panic, stress, overwhelm. When you give the gap between your thoughts and reaction, the new awareness will be: this is just a mental reaction. You respond instead of react. Now we can do one small meditation. Close your eyes gently and ask yourself, what is aware of my thoughts right now? Before any thoughts appear, what I am. Don't answer intellectually, just observe. If they shifted something in you, comment, I see it now. Hope you understand deeply about the second sloka of Dakshinamurthy Stotram. We can see you in the next sloka. Om Shivaya Namah.